Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. My name is Philo and I make a ton of Amazon videos, so you should definitely subscribe. Today I have just a good old Amazon Find 10 favorites where I'm sharing with you all the things that I've been recently loving or purchasing off the Amazon. And today, like always, I found some amazing things. So everything will be linked down below. You can also check out my Amazon shop. That's where I update like daily with my new finds, wish list, favorites, all that good stuff. And you should follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. Subscribe if you haven't already. I have so many Amazon videos planned for this month, so I'm so excited to get into it. Let me know what you're shopping for down below and let's go ahead and get started. I posted this on my Instagram story. I am actually obsessed with this exercise dress. I tried one from Amazon when I was like really pregnant, and obviously it didn't look good. This one is so much better. It's $30. It comes in different colors. So it has a built-in sports bra with removable padding. I took mine out so you can leave them on if you want, but I find that your nipples or anything doesn't show through. And then at the bottom you have like built-in shorts with pockets on both sides, which is so convenient. It's, like I said, $30. I got a size medium, pretty true to size. It really like sucks everything in. So even, I don't know, I was gonna say you could even size down, but it just depends on how tall you are. I got so excited I couldn't wait till I had to share this on my Instagram story. So if you saw that, you know. I got the cutest little berry colanders off Amazon. You get a 4-pack for $30. If you guys are familiar with the Crate and Barrel ones, those are slightly bigger, but they're $9 each, and they don't come in a pack or anything. So these I love because they have little painted berries on them. So you get 2 painted strawberries and then 1 white, 1 coral. So cute. I love that they're like tiny and small and they're adorable, so I had to. So if you watch my channel, you know that I've been doing a few DHgate reviews with designer replicas, and I'm very aware not everyone's a fan of that, and some people just want like similar items to the designers instead of like straight up like rip-offs. So I found this little, well, it's not little at all, this makeup case off Amazon for 20 bucks, maybe a little less, and I'm so impressed. So it's that like famous iconic Louis Vuitton checker print, but they're not trying to rip them off. Like, it doesn't say Louis Vuitton or anything, and then the inside is red. It's really good quality. I love how big it is. I feel like I could fit so many things in here for travel, but also I could keep this in my tote bag and just like fill it up with stuff. Great little makeup pouch. I've been on a quest to find the perfect hairbrush off Amazon that isn't the wet hairbrush, just because that one wasn't really working for me anymore, and I found one that is amazing. Of course it's pink. It's so cute. It does come in different colors, but I love the size. I love how smooth it is, and it's actually super easy to clean. It doesn't have that like foam bottom or whatever they are that like collects all like the dry shampoo, the dust, all that. So this one is so nice. I think it's about $11 and I've been loving it. It brushes seamlessly. I did try a different one. I don't have it with me right now. It's in my bathroom, but I'll put a picture. That one was good. It's pretty similar. The only thing that I really didn't like about that one is how small it was and how short the handle was. So I'm gonna save that one for my daughter when she's old enough, but so far I'm loving this one. This is a TikTok made me buy it situation. I saw everyone raving about this bodysuit. People were comparing it to Skims bodysuits, so I decided to give it a try. This is what it looks like. It has a higher neckline, and I was kind of concerned because I always like to get white. Obviously I love white, but you know, with like cheaper clothes you never really know if it's gonna be too sheer. This one is actually double lined, which is great. It is such a flattering bodysuit. It kind of like sucks everything in, and it comes in so many different colors for like about 20 bucks. You really can't beat it. I'm definitely gonna order more colors for the fall. This is such a nice basic, and I love how you don't want to like, you don't have to spend a ton of money to get like a good quality bodysuit. Y'all, I've never washed my hands so much. Even in like peak COVID pandemic, I didn't wash my hands as much as now that we have a newborn. So my husband and I's hands are like dead. Like, they feel so crusty, to say the least. So I've been trying a few different hand creams, and I went back to an old favorite. This is the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Touch hand cream. It smells, I'm gonna put some on actually. It smells like all their amazing products. It is about $15, I want to say, and they have them on Amazon Prime. It's really nice and moisturizing. It's not super sticky. I've been loving that one. But if y'all have any recommendations, please, for any hand creams or hand soaps that don't dry out your hands, please let me know. I wanted to get some night lamps just because we've been getting up a lot in the middle of the night to feed the baby and just like change her diaper and all that stuff, but I didn't want anything too harsh. So I got a 2-pack of these Himalayan salt lamps from Amazon. They are basically the exact same thing as the other ones I own, like these, but the mini version, they give off the same glow, and I'm pretty sure I have the same kind of benefits, but mostly I just like the tone. It's just like a very nice and warm light, so it's not as harsh. And I have one in our bathroom and then one in our bedroom, just so we get up in the middle of the night. I usually just leave them on. So cute, would make a great little like stocking stuffer gift. Yes, I am thinking of the holidays, okay? I like to plan ahead, and don't worry, those gift guides will come. I do them every year, but I think they're so cute. Such a good little home decor piece. So I've been taking this probiotic, not the women one, but I've been taking it for a while now. I took it all during my pregnancy. It's just really helpful to take a probiotic every single day, in my opinion. Then I found out that Amazon sells it, and they sell a women's specific one. This is the Ultimate Flora Women's Care Probiotic, 25 live cultures, 12 probiotic strains, and it's 60 capsules. So I got the 2-month supply. You can also get the 1-month supply, and I've just been taking it every single day with my prenatals. I just wanted to make sure, you know, I was like getting my digestive system in order after labor and pregnancy and all that stuff. So if you're looking for a good one, I really like this one. I actually got this a few weeks before having my baby, so I was like extremely pregnant, but I was like looking into the future, you know, because there's no way I was gonna do any of this while 39 weeks pregnant. But I got this Bodysuit steam shot, and it's basically a little steamer, and it comes with different brush heads for like $30. And we have so many like nooks and crannies that I always want to clean, and it's just like a little hard to clean, like in between the windowsills and like the borders of our doors. There's so many things, and it's always like a little hard and whatever. This is amazing. So I got it because of a blogger on Instagram. Thank you, Bolt. My dog loves to do that. Ignoring my feisty dog. I got this because of a blogger on Instagram. She had just bought a house that was like used for years, and she was like deep cleaning it. So she cleaned like the fridge, the windowsills, like the molding. So I got inspired. I have yet to use it because I have a 3-week-old newborn. I was pregnant, like I said, but I'm so excited. I love like cleaning products like this. We have a little too many like cleaning appliances, but this one was very inexpensive. I've said this before and I'll say it again, baby stuff can be so incredibly overpriced for no reason. So I really wanted the Docatot lounger, but it's like $100 or more, so I wasn't about to pay that. Amazon has very similar loungers for super affordable. This one was $30. I got it during Prime Day. It comes in different colors. I'm pretty sure I have the white and pink. It's very subtle and it's super nice, comfy. I will say we don't let her sleep on this. This is exclusively like to lounge in, supervise, all that good stuff. Just wanted to make sure because, you know, baby safety is a concern, but we love it so far. It's very easy to clean. All these parts come apart and it's super nice and comfy. So if you're looking for a Docatot dupe, this one is great. Okay, so I'm gonna do a whole video, like probably when she's like a month old, on my Amazon newborn essentials, because there are so many things that have been quite literally saving our butts with a newborn baby. But one of the things that I wish I would have added more to my registry, and that I quite literally Amazon Prime like 2 days in, are these Burp cloths. So I decided to get these because of our registry we got 2 packs of these, and those are great, but I'm so glad I got these. They're so absorbent, they're so inexpensive. If you know any like parents to be, anyone that's pregnant, trust me, because they'll need them, get them these. So I'm currently breastfeeding, and I did a whole video on my pregnancy, postpartum, and hospital bag essentials. So if you're pregnant and you're looking for more recommendations, I highly recommend watching that one. But I had to talk about this bra. So I have one of those like regular pumps. They're not like super fancy or anything. And for almost 3 weeks, I was constantly pumping and just holding the things, and I was getting so tired. My back like was constantly like bent and arched because of it. So I decided to get this bra off Amazon. It was $30 or $29.99, and it only comes in 2 sizes, which is a little scary, but it has a super nice adjustable back, and y'all, life-changing. You just stick your pumps in there and you don't have to touch them. It's completely hands-free. It's very, very nice, soft, comfy, cannot say enough good things, and it was truly life-changing because I was so tired of holding those things. So I got a little grooming kit at Marshall's for like $6, and it included a ton of things to cut the baby's nails. A baby grooming kit, I should have said. But then once she was born, I quickly realized how difficult it is to get a baby to sit still to clip their nails with like a sharp clipper. So instead, I decided to go to Amazon and get one of these electric nail filers for babies. This one came with a ton of different heads, so it comes with some like that are for adults. I'm not going to use this because I have my own, but it has a ton for babies. It's really nice and gentle. It has 4 different, like 2 different motions, 4 different speeds. So you have one that goes to the right and one to the left, and it's just so much nicer, so much less scary. And I like that it comes with a little case. It's really, really cute. So I've been using it on her nails and her toes, and so far no problem. And like I said, so much safer and so much easier because you don't have to like sit there and like be scared that you're gonna cut them. So guys, that's everything for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, and like I said, stay tuned because I have so many Amazon videos coming y'all's way. This was just like a quick little haul of things that I've been loving and buying recently. But like I said, let me know what you're shopping for. Let me know what you're looking forward to. If you have any video requests, anything like that in the comments. Like I said, if you enjoy these videos, definitely let me know by giving it a thumbs up. And I think that's everything I have to say. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next one.